So the last video I posted was on how to make extra cash as a fashion designer, and I got so many wonderful questions on that video, but one of them I'm going to be answering in this video, which is how to start a fashion YouTube channel. I've been getting that question a lot from fashion designers like myself. So how to start a fashion YouTube channel, that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I have 2 fashion YouTube channels that are doing really well and are monetized. So if you want to know how to start in 2024 and how to get monetized, keep watching this video and let's get right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Lola and this is my channel, Everything Lola, where I talk about fashion, lifestyle and everything in between. I also have a fashion channel, a sewing channel strictly for cutting, sewing, drafting and everything sewing tutorial. So if any of these I've mentioned is your vibe, you want to hit that subscribe button and join the family. The name of my sewing channel is Lola Oluwashosi, and if you check the description of this video or scroll on the homepage of this channel, you're going to see my sewing channel. If you are new on this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining the family. Let me know what video brought you to this channel so that we can welcome you well. So like the title of this video states, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to start a fashion YouTube channel in 2024, and this video would help basically anybody that is planning to start a channel, but majorly fashion designers that are looking at starting a fashion YouTube channel and plan to gain money from it, because we're not Father Christmas. The whole aim is to do what you love while gaining from it, like while being paid. That's the whole point. So I'm going to start with, I have 2 channels like I said, and I have made so many mistakes with this channel. In fact, I made so many mistakes with my first channel that I started correcting those mistakes in my second channel, and it has been doing really well. I feel like it has been doing better than my first channel. This is my first channel. This channel you're watching this video is my first channel, and my second channel is my sewing channel. So I feel like that channel is doing better than this channel because a lot of mistakes I made in my first channel, I made sure I did not repeat the same mistakes for this channel. That's for my sewing channel rather. So first thing I'm going to tell you is that opening a channel is very easy. You don't need any complication to open the channel. Everybody basically has a channel, but you just have to register it to actually make a channel out of it. So if you have YouTube on your phone, you can just go to the home part of that. Of course, you are watching this video through your YouTube channel, so if you go to your YouTube channel and go to the home part, you're going to see your channel. You're going to see where they ask you to sign in or like open a channel, to give the channel name. Once you give your YouTube account a name, officially you have opened a channel. So very easy. Opening it is very, very simple. But now let's talk about what you want to start doing on a fashion YouTube channel that will take you there. So something I want people to understand is that before you get monetized on YouTube, you are supposed to get to a threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now YouTube has reduced the threshold in a way that you can get to 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours to get monetized. It's just that you're not going to be getting paid from adverts. You're going to be getting paid through super things. If you check some of my videos, you'll see that I have some of my followers, some of my subscribers that have super thanked me. So you will see a super thanks in the comment section, and you can get super thanks if you get to 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. But if you want to get money directly from YouTube, you want to get ads placed on your video for money, you now want to get to that 1,000 subscriber threshold and 4,000 hours of watch time. That's what you really need to start making the real money, apart from gifts. So apart from the money that you will get on YouTube, there are other interesting things you can gain from YouTube via the community. I mean the YouTube short community, and it's really fun because we get to attend events both in Lagos and other places. We get to have community meetings and engage in challenges that we get gifts from, and so on and so forth. And then you get to build an actual community. So I have a community on WhatsApp, I have a community on Instagram, and it's so much fun to start building another community entirely on YouTube. That's like one of the importance of opening a YouTube channel. So now that we've talked about the importance, let's now talk about opening it. What kind of content you need to put once you've opened this channel. If you're a fashion designer, I want to let you know that you have a lot of content as a fashion designer that knows how to sew. In fact, there's a difference between opening a tutorial channel and opening a fashion channel. You can have a fashion channel for general fashion things. You can see that this is my channel. I don't put tutorials. If you see tutorials on this channel, it means they are old videos from maybe 2 years ago, from last year. I put tips about fashion, other things about fashion, get ready with me with fashion items, going to market vlogs, still fashion. But on my other channel, I do strictly tutorials. So if you know you are good with sewing, then you want to think of opening a YouTube channel. If you know you're really good with sewing, cutting, drafting, anything you're good with, you want to think of opening a YouTube channel. And don't say, I don't know how to teach. From one video, if you check my first video, I said it in my previous video, if you check my first video on my sewing channel and check my last video, you'll see how much improvement I have made. So don't think about it and just do it. Now, there's something I want to say that is important, which is don't overthink opening a channel. Don't overthink posting videos, because once you overthink it, it's gone. I don't know how to explain it, but just do it. So what you want to do before you open a YouTube channel, before you officially start posting, what I advise people, especially fashion designers, if you know you are looking at opening a tutorial channel, make sure you have at least 5 videos down before you click that opening of channel. Before you put a name for your channel, make sure you have 5 videos on ground at least. You can have up to 10, 20, 30, depends on you, but I always advise to have at least 5 videos on ground. I know what I'm saying, it's from experience, because just in case you have like followers on other places, maybe TikTok, Instagram, and you open a YouTube channel and then you're telling people come and subscribe, they're coming to subscribe, they're not seeing any video, they're seeing just one video, they come, they watch, they go, and then when you post again after 5 years, you'll not be begging them to come. So make sure you drop like 5 videos, 5 videos at once, so you can gather as much subscribers and as much watch hour you can gather from that first week or first 2 weeks that you open your channel, and then make sure you are consistent after that. Apart from tutorials as a fashion designer, you can post, you can also do get ready with me, you can do process videos like the process of sewing a dress. You can check my Instagram page for process videos to see what it looks like. You can make your own longer, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and so on and so forth. You can do fashion events videos, you can do tips and tricks for fashion. It doesn't necessarily have to be sewing. If you feel like maybe you don't have that strength, or you don't have that skill yet, you can do literally any other thing that concerns fashion, as long as you have something up there and you feel like would be useful to somebody else, then I believe that you can go for it. There's no harm in trying at all. So another thing I want to say is you need to have a plan when you are opening your channel. Don't be like me. When I opened my first channel, I didn't have plan. Lockdown, I just say, everybody's opening channel, let me open channel. And then staying consistent was very difficult because I didn't have a plan, and I wasn't doing tutorial videos as at then. Like I wasn't doing fashion tutorial videos. I was doing literally everything I could think of. But you want to have a plan. You want to draw out a plan. You want to know first what kind of videos are you posting. Are you going to be posting once a week, twice a week, thrice a week? Make sure you have all these things on ground and then push yourself to do them. But when you post haphazardly, it will be very difficult for you to stay consistent. Now let's talk about the practical aspect now of posting videos and what it takes to post video and things like that. So YouTube is divided into 2 spaces. We have the shorts and then we have the long form videos. I always advise if you know you're a fashion designer and you don't want to just be posting shorts, you want to actually focus on posting long form content, because it would help you with your watch hour. It will increase your watch hour faster, and to engage a community faster. So now, if you are posting your videos, make sure you create a balance between posting long form content and posting short form content, because the difference now is that what short form content, which is short, do for you is that it will get you subscribers fast, but then these subscribers may not stay as much. That's why I always advise the way you are posting your short form content should be the same energy you use to post your long form content, so that as you're posting your long form content, you would be gaining a community from there, and then you'll be getting subscribers from the short form content. I hope you understand what I mean. And then you want to focus on getting some tools now that would help you make your video posting easier. So I use rapid tags to get my tags. Like I don't have to start putting my tags one by one. I just take my title and place it in rapid tags on rapid tag sites, and then it just gives me the best captions that people would actually want to search for on that topic, and then I just copy and paste. If you need it, I'm going to put it in the description box for those that have already started the channel and want something to make your tags generation easier. And then for songs, you want to focus on not using songs that are copyrighted. So for your shorts now, you can use any song you find on YouTube, because a percentage of that whatever you make from that video, some of it will be going to the musician, the person that sang the song, and then some of it will be going to YouTube, and then some of it will be going to you. But if you don't use a song that has copyright on it, the money is basically for you on YouTube. So I always advise for long form content, make sure you use songs that have no copyright, because for long form content your video is going to be flagged, but for short form content they're just going to let you go, like, because I mean the money is not all yours. But make sure you download YouTube Music, it really helps. And then on YouTube here you can actually search for no copyright songs and see them and download them. You can switch them to MP4 or you can just use them like that. But just let me know if you've already started the channel and you are finding it difficult, or you are about to start a fashion channel and you're finding it difficult, and maybe able to help with one or two things, one or two tools that you'll be able to use. Another thing too is that you want to look at getting editing tools like InShot, CapCut, Canva. Those are the 3 important ones. I don't know what anybody wants to tell you, but for a fashion designer, those are the 3 most important apps to get if you want to edit, or as a YouTuber. Canva for your thumbnails, CapCut or InShot for your editing. Like I said, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Once you start overthinking, that's when you want to gather like 10 apps, and then the time you want to use to create about 3-4 content, you are wasting it on creating 1 content. Hope you get what I mean. We are designers, we teach, so make it fast and snappy. Don't try to start over editing or don't waste your time doing things that you are not supposed to be doing at that particular time when it comes to video production for fashion designers. Post consistently. If you want to get to that 4,000 hours of watch time quickly, you want to focus on posting at least once a week. At least though, like if you don't post at all, bad as bad, once a week. And then if your strength, if your capacity can take more, you can now do 2-3 times a week. But once a week should be consistent when you start. And if you are doing tutorials, it's going to be even easier for you, because you're going to get your watch hour fast, because tutorials take at least 5 minutes and above, and the more people watch your videos, the more your watch hour increases. And you want to also focus on giving crispy, clear videos, because I don't like watching videos that are not very clear, so I don't blame people when they skip videos that are not clear. So you want to focus on the quality of your video. Then for filming, I use Samsung to film, Samsung S21, so you can basically use your phone to film. If you have the money to get a camera, why not? But for now, make do with what you have. Don't say I'm waiting to get camera, I'm waiting to get ring light. When I started shooting videos, I did not start with a ring light. I started with a lamp, a really bright lamp I had at home before I got my first ring light. So don't say I'm waiting for ring light, I'm waiting for tripod. Stand your phone where you can stand it, put it on your window and get sunlight into your face. Real light, natural lighting. So there's no excuse, like I said. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and if I remember any other thing that I know would help those that want to open a fashion YouTube channel, I'm definitely going to bring it. But yes, I'm going to say one thing before I leave. When you start a fashion YouTube channel, the journey is not magic. Don't be money conscious or money oriented. How will I put in English? But don't put your mind on making money fast, because it doesn't work like that. I opened my first YouTube channel in 2020, even though I was very inconsistent, very inconsistent. I started getting money from it last month. And then my second channel, which is my sewing channel, I opened it about 9 months ago, and I started getting money from it same last month or this month. But everything happened between last month and this month. So you just want to make sure you focus on creating, focus on building a community, and I feel like from there it will just be easy. You can take it up from there and slow and steady, but make sure you are very consistent and just do it. I'm just going to summarize again the things you need to start a fashion YouTube channel. If you're doing tutorials, of course you need your machine and every other thing you use as a fashion designer, but then you need a phone, you need a source of lighting, you need somewhere you can hold your phone, possibly a tripod. And then for the tools to edit, you need YouTube Music in case you want to put music on your videos. Find no copyright music. And then you need InShot or CapCut, and then you need Canva for editing your thumbnails. One thing I want to say before I go again, make sure you don't focus on stealing other people's video, because YouTube is going to show you shaggy. They don't take it lightly when you steal other people's content, especially when they report you. Your account can easily be flagged, so make sure you focus on that. Like I said before, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them here, or you can ask me on my Instagram. I can help you out if you need help. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share to others it may be helpful too, and hit that subscribe button. You can also drop a lovely comment or question. And if you are planning to open a YouTube channel this year, just do it. Stop thinking. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.